guys, we are going to here learn about how to join this system. Now the joining in process, when you log in gcvnet.com on Google, now this is the form in front of you. This mention username and passwords for login. When you click on sign up form, this type of form is open in front of you. There is asking about sponsor IDs. A sponsor name automatically taken by the form, and when you put username, select the position left or right in the tree as per your choice. There is options. When you choose left, your ID plays in the left side of the tree. When you choose right, the ID plays will the right side of the. Then asking about the email address. When you put email address, the OTP you will receive on the same email address. Once you confirm the email OTP, then your ID can be verified. This is the OTP. When you receive the OTP, then fill the OTP, fill the country, city and rest of the details as shown in the form. So once you click the confirmation terms and condition, then click on the sign up. After that, you will be the part of this system. You got your username and password. Once you enter your username and password, then click on the login. You will enter in the system. So this is the form of sign up of this system. So in front of you, deposit, withdraw, refer to a friend, wealth bonus, earning bonus, exchange bonus, everything is mentioned on the screen on dashboards. So there is also the quantity mentioned. Once you click on deposit, please enter the amount which you want to deposit. This is the QR code. You can also copy the address where you want to deposit. Once you deposit, quantity will be shown in the panels. Now click on the left side of the menu. There's all thing is mentioned in the menu. So this is the deposits and refer to a friend. If you want to refer this plan to your friends and make your affiliates, so you can also refer. This is the withdrawal sections. Once you click on withdrawal, you will get the wealth bonus you want to withdraw. Put your BP20 wallet address and click on the withdrawal. So you will get the amount in your wallets as you click on the withdraw. So this is the withdraw functions and deposit functions work in this app. So now click on the menu. This is the left part of the menu, and wealth bonus, earning bonus, exchange bonus, credit bonus. This is shown in the dashboards. So this is the staking formula: wealth bonus, earning bonus, exchange bonus, credit bonus. This is all are under staking. There are multiple package of the staking. You can check in the downwards. Select package. There are multiple types of packages: 1,000, 2,000, 5,000, 10,000 up to 5 lakhs. You can choose as per your demands. There is 100% exchange wallet, 100% wealth bonus retop up, 50% exchange wallet, 25% earning bonus, 25% credit bonus, and rest of the 25% wealth bonus, 25% earning bonus, and 50% exchange wallet. This is the types of package variant here. You can choose your staking plan: 0.3% up to 500 days, 4% up to 12 months. This is the two types of staking plan. You can choose as per your requirements. Once you click on your plan, you will get the ID activation as per your requirement. This is the menu: team, action, bonus, wallet, club, supports, materials. Let's go with the other systems. Though this is the menu: actions, genealogy, team, tree view, everything is available here. Team list you can also check here. Sponsor ID, business detail, left volume, right volume, and total volume, total BV, total team. This is the full detail of the system. You can check on the dashboards all the business details, tree structures, bonus statements, credit bonus, earning bonus. These all are mentioned on the dashboard and also mentioned in the reports. How much you gain in date wise, you will get the report in this menu. So everything is available in the menu. Now this is the best plan in the market. You will get highest return in this project. This project is running from many days and give highest return to the plan. So this is the best plan. You can join www.gcvnet.com. Thank you so much.